Good morning, friends. Happy Monday. Today for Morning Bins, you're going to need your dice and Play-Doh. Now, we're going to do a pretty fun morning bin. You're going to roll your dice. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I rolled the number 5. I'm going to take out a chunk of Play-Doh. And I'm going to roll it. And I'm going to roll 5 little pumpkins. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to get a little more Play-Doh. 4, and 5. So now I have 5 little pumpkins that I rolled out. Now I'm going to get another chunk of Play-Doh, and I'm going to make the number 5 using my Play-Doh, okay? So first I'm going to make his hat. Then I'm going to roll out a piece, and I'm going to make his back. Then I'm going to roll another piece to make his chubby belly fat. Okay? So again, I have make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. 5. So step 1, roll your dice. Step 2, count how many. Step 3, make your Play-Doh pumpkins. Step 4, make your Play-Doh number. All right, my friends, I am so excited to see you for Pumpkin Week. In just a few minutes, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.